Here's how to reset Bluetooth on your Android phone. If your Bluetooth keeps disconnecting, won't pair with devices, or isn't working properly, resetting your network settings can usually fix the problem. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. On this page, look for the Reset option and tap on it. Now, over here, you'll see several reset options. There's no dedicated Bluetooth reset, so what you're going to want to do is tap Reset Network Settings. On the next screen, you'll see that this reset will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks, mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. Tap Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your current screen lock PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Now tap Reset one more time to confirm. Your phone will restart the network settings, and all paired Bluetooth devices will be removed. Once the reset is complete, simply pair your Bluetooth device again, and it should work normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Please like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.